there is a new addition in my office. I got a new standing desk last week and I am in love with it. And the reason that I wanted it was because then I could have a desk just for planning and filming, and then just a desk for work. And then the shelf that was here, I put back here with the printer, and it just feels so much better in terms of the space. So now I'm going in to fill in my planner. I always go into the monthly spread for my habit tracker, where I look at my nighttime routine, my steps, calories burned, things like that. And then going into Sunday, filling in my steps and calories burned, and then writing that I finished the intuitive eating book, which took me a little while. Then flipping to this week, I write down my sleep score as well as highlight the workout that I did today. And then I take this box from the Happy Planner and rewrite the date because I had it incorrect this whole time. So now I'm training Lucy to be less stressed when being handled. So I normalize the nail clippers, normalize the hairbrush, as well as being handled. And I do this for about 2 to 3 minutes, 3 to 4 times a day. And now I go in with this Coffee Monsters Co. sticker to write down that I did the training with Lucy, and I've checked off my to-dos and then start tracking my food for the day. Somebody asked me how I managed to get all of my 15,000 steps in a day when I'm working from home. And literally, I pick a spot, stand in place, and march in place, kind of like this. So, 4 sticker sheets. That was like an ordeal to try and figure out, but now that I know how to get it on there, I think I'm going to adjust the sizing because these are a little bit too small. Adjust the sizing, adjust the cuts around it. Oh, it was all a bit of an ordeal, but I think that was the hardest part for me, was learning how to use the silhouette and how to make sure that all the cuts were right. You're trying to take your breakfast downstairs. Yeah, that's not how it works. So after my workout, I fill in my monthly habit tracker, which I'm really enjoying keeping track of. And then I highlight my sleep score as well as the workout that I did today, fill in the steps and calories from yesterday, and start tracking my foods from today. And then write down that we did Henry's workbook this morning with this Coffee Monsters Co. sticker. So this is my work planner, my Archer and Olive, and I normally put all of my meetings up here. And Wednesday, I just had meetings that just kept getting added and added and added. So instead of doing whiteout again, I actually just took a box from the Sophisticated Floral sticker book and just put it on top, and then I will write my meetings as I go. But like literally, this is what my day looks like. This is what it looks like right now. And tomorrow doesn't look any better. Got some Happy Mail. I cannot wait to film this. I'm going to be doing that now. Didn't do too much vlogging today. I was really busy at work, but... Want to be in the video? Didn't do too much vlogging today. Work was really busy, like back-to-back meetings. Just finished cleaning the kitchen. My husband's the one who puts the kids to bed after dinner while I finish up the cleaning. Once cleaning is done, I'm probably going to relax a little bit, do some reading, journaling, and playing with this puppy. Baked oats for breakfast. So after working out and getting ready, I fill in my habit tracker for the day, then fill in my sleep score, which is actually pretty good, and highlight the workout that I did. Fill in that I did some reading last night, started a new book, and then filled in my steps and calories and tracked my food. This is what my planner looks like for today. So this is the list of meetings that I am supposed to attend today. So I have got a long day ahead of me. After my workout and getting ready, I fill in my habit tracker and then fill in my sleep score, as well as highlight the workout that I did today, and then fill in the steps and calories from yesterday, and also put in that I did my face masks last night. I love using this sticker. Everything always looks so nice in camera, but I just have to tell you, like, the mess that is behind the scenes when I try to film. It's all a mess, and then my work stuff is there. Say hi. Hi, Lucy. It's raining outside. I was able to get some filming done today, and this is basically what happens. Big mess. And this is actually what's after, or what it looks like after I've cleaned up. But yeah, and normally when I'm filming, especially when I'm filming my hemlock and oak, I've got this little file folder of stickers which has like all of the emojis and different things, and I organize it like this because it's easy for me to look through, but I'm sure there's probably an easier way to organize this, and I'm gonna run out of space for this, so I might have to rethink about the whole organizing of this, but that could be a future project. And this is just file folder that I got from Dollarama, actually, and this is a vinyl sticker from the Happy Planner. So really easy and cheap way to organize the stickers that don't come in sticker books. And then these are what's left of my Happy Planner sticker books. I used to have 5 or 6 of these storage boxes, and I have decreased my sticker stash to a reasonable amount for me. So filling in my planner from yesterday, doing this habit tracker, I really enjoy doing this. And then filling in my sleep score and highlighting the workout that I did this morning. And then going into yesterday, I didn't actually track my food, but here I am filling it in because I did track it in my WW app. And then also filling in part of the food that I have done for Friday. And then going in with this YouTube sticker because I did film yesterday. This is from Coffee Monsters Co. And then I add this reading sticker from Coffee Monsters Co. along with changing that to edit and upload because that's what I did, and a not today sticker because my husband is actually going away on Saturday, not today. My evening, Lucy, my evening has been spent watching Twister, can't see it, but also buying a new printer because the printer that I was using to try and test out my stickers decided to break, so I bought a new printer. Starting the morning opening one of Lucy's pup boxes. She got 2 and I haven't opened them yet, so this is her 6-month box. What is this? This is like a fresh foodie. It holds treats. That'll be interesting. She got this little chompin' chew, which I think she will really enjoy. And then she got a leash. This is the month 6, or the 6-month-old box, and this is adorable. And then the Lucky Ducky. And this is her 4-month-old box. I'm a little delayed in opening this. This is really, really cute. So we got this little rubber dog bone, another little chew toy, which I think she's gonna absolutely love. This one is adorable, this flamingo. Awesome, so that is the 4th month pup box. You like this treat? Wait, sit. Good girl.
Oh, that looks adorable.
So filling in my planner for yesterday, didn't do as many of the habits as I'd liked, and filling in my steps and calories as well as tracking my food from yesterday. And then the fact that I made a mistake already, but my printer broke. And for today, for Saturday, we have a whole bunch of plans. We're going to go on a Costco run with my mom and dad, and then I'm actually going to I have a whole bunch of errands, take Lucy to the groomers for a socialization, and then pick up my printer.
Lingonberry.
New printer is here, so I'm gonna hang out in my office while I'm watching Schitt's Creek and getting this set up. So excited. So just adding in that adding in my sleep score, and then adding in that we went to IHOP with my parents, and the visit to the groomers actually went really well with Lucy. And then just tracking in my food, and then ending the night with journaling, a glass of Pimm's while watching some more Schitt's Creek with the puppy. So every day I go into my habit tracker in my monthly spread, and on the weekends I'm not as good. And then I go ahead and fill in my sleep tracker as well, which I'm really liking doing. And then I fill in my steps and calories from yesterday, and then add this cute Netflix emoji to say that we had a family movie night while I was also folding laundry. But I decided to add this glitter header because it just made it prettier. And then I added this snuggle reading emoji to say that I kept reading in the evening. We checked off all of our cleaning for the day, and then used this box from Mimi Rose Co. and then this emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. to say I would be working on the silhouette this afternoon and filling in my food for the day. So this is the new printer. It is the ET2760 Epson. Super inkjet. Like, look. That is the silhouette going. Let's see if this is gonna work out. And I think I screwed something up because it says remaining cutting time is 21 minutes and it shouldn't be that way. So I need to work on that file. After hours of trying to figure out why I couldn't get rid of a specific cut line, and then even after that couldn't figure out why it was still printing to the old file, I think I've got it. I really think I've got it. I think I got it. The cut lines look better. I will have to work on a little bit of like just the more specifics, but like I think, oh my God. Look at that. So happy. So I'm gonna do some, like, the thing that I was really working on was just getting the silhouette cut lines, but I think I've got that. Oh, so excited. So I printed off ones for work, the to-do, the days of the week, as well as like the today, canceled, scheduled, all that stuff. So excited for this. Alright guys, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for joining me for my vlog. I really love how this all came together in the end. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.